And far north of Cebu lies an island that most travelers call a paradise. Discover an underrated island destination in Cebu, Bantayan Island. Boasting fine white sand beaches, clear waters, ecotourism sites where you can do sightseeing, swimming, cliff diving, island hopping, kayaking, and even skydiving. This place guarantees the ultimate island life, minus the crowd you often see in Boracay or Palawan. Get ready for a summer adventure in one of the most amazing islands in the Philippines. I had a chance to visit the island for 4 days and had an amazing trip on the island. A summer adventure that will be remembered for a lifetime. In this video, I will share the top things to see and do in Bantayan Island, when to visit the island, where to stay and eat, how to get there, and how to go around the island. Welcome to another episode of a Strong Expedition. There are no direct flights to Bantayan Island from airports outside of Cebu. If you're coming from outside of Cebu, you need to fly to Mactan Cebu International Airport first, which is the jump-off point to other Cebu top destinations. From the airport, head towards the North Bus Terminal. You can board a direct bus to Santa Fe in Bantayan, which will include onboard the ferry, or take the bus that will drop you off at Agnaya Port, where you will bring your luggage and get on board the ferry. Fare is around 160 to 200 pesos. The buses at the terminal leave every hour, day and night, and the travel time is around 4 hours. The ferry ride is about 1.5 hours and will cost you 170 pesos. If you have the budget and wish to skip the long bus and ferry ride, you can ride a chartered plane from Cebu. Air Juan is the only operator currently servicing chartered flights from Mactan Cebu International Airport to Bantayan Airport, a small community airport in Santa Fe. When you arrive in Santa Fe, you need to pay 30 pesos for the green fee charged to all visitors or non-residents. Wondering what to do in Bantayan Island? Discovering the island on a full day tour is an epic way to commence your stay in Bantayan Island. You can rent a motorbike or take a tricycle if you are staying around Santa Fe area. We book a tricycle day tour for 500 pesos to visit the inland attractions. Here are the top things to do and see in Bantayan Island. Since it's an island, the beaches are the main attractions of Bantayan Island, Cebu, but there are also other activities that you can do here. First is to lounge and swim in beaches. Exploring the beaches of Bantayan Island is as easy as driving around the coastline where many pristine beaches are scattered, mainly in Santa Fe. Here are some of the top beaches that you can explore inland. First is Paradise Beach. Recently renamed as Sandira Paradise, the small inlet is a popular afternoon spot, an idyllic small stretch of beach shielded on both sides by old limestone rocks. If you want to escape the crowd and enjoy a calm beach day, consider visiting Paradise Beach. It is a secluded stretch in Santa Fe Bantayan Island where you can enjoy the beach all to yourself if you're lucky. There's a fee of 50 pesos per person to enter Paradise Beach. If you want to explore more beaches in Santa Fe Bantayan, you might want to check out Alice Beach, Marikaban Beach, and Sugar Beach Bantayan. Next is to visit the sandbar at Kota Beach. Are you single, broken-hearted? Then this beach in Santa Fe might just be the place to mend your broken heart. Kota Beach Bantayan is popular not just because it was the setting of the movie Camps Away, but also because of its undoubtedly captivating features like its fine white sand beach, turquoise waters, and the amazing sandbar. Next is island hopping. There are also smaller islands outside of Bantayan that you can explore by doing island hopping tours. We recommend Virgin Island. Virgin Island is one of the top attractions in Bantayan. The sand is fine and white as powder, and the water is so clear that you don't need to free drive to see corals and fishes. Virgin Island Bantayan is perfect for travelers who want to just chill and relax. The island also has Bantayan huts that you can rent for a price, while the hammocks scattered all over the island are free. In case you get thirsty or hungry, there's also a local restaurant bar in the area. You will definitely have an amazing time here. There are also other islands that you can do island hopping tour like Hilantagan Island and Kinatarkan Island. Next is to explore the inland attractions, and first on the list is to visit Ogtong Cave. Ogtong Cave is a small natural pool cave found in Ogtong Cave Resort. There is an entrance fee that will also give you access to the resort's pool and beach. Next is Obo-ob Mangrove Eco Park. If you want a break from the beach, head to Obo-ob Mangrove Eco Park, where you'll see hundreds of mangroves everywhere you look. You You can explore this Bantayan Island tourist spot through kayaking, boating, or just by walking at the bamboo huts built all over the place. Aside from boating, you can also feed the fishes in the area. Once you finish your walk, enjoy a bite to eat at the on-site bamboo restaurant built over the water. Next is to do exciting outdoor activities. There are several spots around Bantayan Island if you're game for facing your fear of heights to jump off a cliff to the clear waters. You can try the rocky cliffs at Paradise Beach or here at the ruins of a building near Paradise Beach and also in Virgin Island. Many of the photos used to promote Santa Fe include 1 or 2 shots taken at the ruins. Set cliffside, the ruins are simply the remains of a derelict house. However, the brilliant white walls with large round empty windows are dramatic when photographed against the surrounding green grassland and the sparkling blue sea. Tide dependent, the cliffs offer some good jumping points and are a popular spot for locals early mornings, late afternoons, and weekends. Located a couple of minutes from Ogtong Cave Resort at one end of Santa Fe, this is the best place in Bantayan Island for Instagrammable pictures. If you're hungry, there is a restaurant in the area to fill those hungry stomachs, serving authentic Greek food. If you're staying in Santa Fe, explore the busy food center called MJ Square. There are a plethora of restaurants that offer affordable seafood dishes and other types of cuisine and bars for drinks at night. A long food court, strangely not a square at all, MJ Square is a relatively new area in the middle of Santa Fe market that offers a surprisingly high amount of restaurants and cuisines. Local specialties, usually pork or chicken based, fresh seafood, pizzas, Thai, and even a special crab restaurant, enough to keep you busy throughout your stay. Experience the laid-back island life in Bantayan Island. If what you're looking for is an escape from the hustle and bustle of your daily life, Bantayan Island is an ideal place to go. Unlike any other popular beach destinations, the island is quiet and not packed with travelers, making it the perfect place to relax, unwind, and enjoy nature. Wow. Besides its beautiful beaches, the island offers various exciting and fun activities for those looking for a more physical kind of unwinding. Go to Bantayan Island and experience island living at its finest. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see more informative travel videos, or if you just want to tag along with my adventures virtually. I have one more seat for you. Thank you for watching.